Number 4. SJCAM SJ6 Pro. SJCAM SJ6 Pro impresses as the best budget action camera with twin screens. You get a front screen to frame shots, plus a touch-sensitive 2-inch rear LCD for easy navigation. These features set it apart from many similar models, making self-logging videos or vlogging simple. Capturing 4K video at 60 fps with 6-axis stabilization is a game changer. This capability helps keep your action clear, reducing shaky footage during thrilling adventures. When you slow it down to 1080p at 120 fps, moments become cinematic, perfect for dramatic reveals or capturing quick-paced action. Editing and sharing photos or videos gets easier with the downloadable SJCAM app. You can unleash your creativity by fine-tuning clips right from your smartphone. After that, instant sharing to social media allows friends to see your adventures without delay. Waterproofing up to 100 feet opens up exciting opportunities for underwater exploration. Whether diving or surfing, this camera handles aquatic escapades like a pro. It sports a solid 1000 mAh battery, boosting performance and extending your shooting time compared to older models. One minor quirk involves initial setup, which may seem slightly complex. Yet once you familiarize yourself, everything flows smoothly. With impressive features at a competitive price, the SJCAM SJ6 Pro is a fantastic addition to your gear. You'll find yourself wanting to document every thrilling experience. Check this camera out today. Still searching for the perfect budget action camera? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.